Hello and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. In today's lesson, we shall be talking about everyday phrases in the Luo language. So that's everyday phrases in the Luo language. I have about 21. No, not 21. I'm kidding. I have about 7 of them. So this will be a quick video. We'll give you phrases in the Luo language. So if you want this book, I've put a link at the end of in the description. You can just click on the link. It will download to your computer or to your phone. It's a PDF, and thank you for watching. So the first phrase we are going to talk about is bear. Bear, 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 bear. Hello. Hello, bear. That's the first phrase. You say bear, bear. The next phrase we talk about is idinade. 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 So how do you do? That's idinade. And the next one is aheri ahinya. Aheri ahinya. I love you so much. Aheri ahinya. I love you so much. So if you love somebody so much, please go tell them aheri ahinya. Okay? Then let's look about another one, which is if you're beautiful, you say jaber. 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 Jaber means beautiful one. Beautiful one. That's jaber. Now, the next one is when you talk about matters of the heart. In a chunya. In a chunya. In a chunya. That means you are my heart. You are my heart. In a chunya. In a chunya. So if you're living, or if you've left or you're leaving, you say awoke. 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 That's I have left. But you can say adi, I'm gone. Adi, adi, I'm gone. So if you're gone, you say adi. But if you're leaving, you say awoke. Now, suppose you want to talk about something that someone disappoints you and you want to say, hey, you can do better than that. Okay, what do you say? If you want to say you can do better than that, then what you say is inyalo timo maber ma ohingo kanyo. Inyalo timo maber ma ohingo kanyo. So that means you can do better than that. Inyalo timo maber ma ohingo kanyo. So you can do better than that. You may want to talk about your brother or your sister. So for your brother, you say owadwa. Owadwa. Owadwa means brother. So your brother, you say owadwa. And sister is nyaminwa. Nyaminwa. Nyaminwa is my sister. Owadwa is my brother. So nyaminwa becomes your sister and owadwa is your brother. What about your friend? So your friend, you say osiepna. 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 That is your friend. Osiepna. So that is your friend. So if you're coming in or you're going or you are on your way to a place, you can tell somebody abiro. Abiro or an eyo. An eyo. So an eyo means I'm on my way. An eyo. I'm on my way. But abiro. Abiro means I'm coming over. I am coming over. So abiro. I'm on my way. An e yo. Good. Sometimes you want to discipline a child, but not actually beat the child. You just want discipline. You'll tell the child, abiro chuadi. Abiro chuadi. That is like, hey, stop joking. I will take you seriously. Abiro chuadi. Abiro chuadi. Okay? That is when you want to discipline a child. So if you want them to keep quiet or be still, you tell them, abiro chuadi. Okay? Now, sometimes you want to talk about God and you want to tell somebody, God bless you. If you want to tell someone, God bless you, what do you say? You say, Nyasaye ogwedhi. Nyasaye ogwedhi. Nyasaye ogwedhi. Nyasaye ogwedhi. God bless you. Nyasaye ogwedhi. So that is God bless you. What about Jesus? If in the Luo language, Jesus is called Yeso. Yeso. That is Jesus. Yeso. Apako Yeso. I'm praising Jesus. Apako Yeso. Yeso ogwedhi. May Jesus bless you. Jesus bless you. Now, if you want to say goodbye to your friend, you'd say, if you want to say goodbye to your friend, you'd say, oriti. Oriti. That's goodbye. Oriti. So if you're leaving your friend, you just tell them, oriti. Goodbye. Oriti. And if your friend is coming to your home for the first time, you will say welcome, and you say welcome by saying aruaki. Aruaki. So aruaki is the opposite. Welcome, aruaki. Goodbye, oriti. So aruaki and oriti. Okay? And that brings us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment on the section down below for any more words in the Luo language that you'd like me to talk about, and I'll be glad to do so. Now, if you've not joined our channel, please, there's a link. Click on that link and click on the join button so that you enjoy the perks that come with joining our channel. Otherwise, bye-bye. Oriti. Woo.